Welcome to Laird Space. My name is Adam Sambuco, and this is my MArch thesis. The following video is an exploration of the ways extended reality, or XR, can enhance the physical world and allow for entirely new possibilities in our physical architecture. What you see here is a virtual reality simulation of the world of extended reality, the near future in which XR glasses are commonplace. Created using an HTC Vive and Unreal Engine, this showcases some potential interactions and experiences that XR facilitates. Once we put on the XR glasses, the time appears in our peripheral vision, and other virtual objects become visible. As the VR space is limited, this blue arc is our teleportation ability, which allows the simulated spaces to be larger than the physical. Up ahead, we can see a site model of downtown Dallas on the walls and the ceiling, and as we approach, a more detailed model of the MediaTek comes into view. These translucent spheres will transport us to whichever location we desire, such as the atrium, office, or street, but we're going to start with the entry sequence coming from the tunnels of the Dallas pedestrian network. Exiting the tunnel, we experience a compression and release, and are greeted with the MediaTek's angular form and large facade. With XR, we can see a representation of interior activities on the facade, which helps draw in potential visitors. This sunken courtyard gives pedestrians the feeling that they're stepping into a different world before being drawn into the two arms of the building. Once inside, another compression begins as we approach the escalators, and the help desk is between the two entry paths in case a visitor would like to be lent XR glasses for their stay. At the top of the escalator is the public square, the epicenter of entertainment at the MediaTek, host to parties, dances, and performances both virtual and physical. From here, we head toward either work or leisure, options which become further fleshed out as we move. Approaching the leisure area, signage for the cafe and lounge appear. These signs only exist for us, so as not to be an eyesore to those who do not need them. Heading back toward work, we notice more contextual signage appear for the immersion rooms, offices, and again the lounge. We're going to check out the office to see how XR might improve the typical workplace. Here we have a very typical office space, created this way so as to improve our understanding of XR's benefits. Stepping into our office, the room recognizes us and sets it according to our preferences, with the desk emerging from the ground. Looking around, the room is dull and gray, with no natural light. Let's fix that. Now we have a large skylight and window, in addition to the new material backsplash and the increased size. Now we can get to work. The monitors are arranged according to our preference, and we can move them throughout the space. This enlarged space doesn't just have a psychological effect, it's also functional. We can create new monitors as needed on demand, such as this one to adjust the ambient soundtrack. One office could also be used by several people at different times of day. But now it's time for a meeting. XR meetings can bring colleagues into your space, or you into theirs, for collaboration that breaks the boundaries of your typical video chat. Let's get out of here. Now we're back in the atrium. The other space we'll quickly look at is the stacks. The stacks are a vital part of the program of a MediaTek, and XR provides many ways to improve them. One basic example is the drawing of connections between resources, where the sought-after book is chosen and links are drawn to similar works as seen here. After selecting one, the book becomes highlighted and visible through walls, and wayfinding takes us there. If you're wondering why physical books still need to exist, keep in mind that we're talking about the near future in the next 20 to 30 years. Google has been scanning books for the past 16 years, and there's no sign that they'll be close to finished by then. Even with most new books having digital versions, the rights to their distribution will certainly not be totally open. Another possibility, which was not prototyped, is drawing connections between patrons who have taken out books on similar topics within the building as well as in other XR-enabled mediatheks. With designated zones for XR privacy and accessibility, strain on librarians and visitors could be reduced as knowledge becomes more communal than ever before.